Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Edge status breakpoint error. This error usually happens due to unstable experimental settings or temporary browser glitches. First, open Microsoft Edge. In the address bar, type edge/flags and press Enter. Then click Reset All. Your changes will take effect after restarting Edge. Click Restart to relaunch Edge and apply the changes. Next, press the Windows key and open the Power menu. Choose Restart to reboot your PC and clear temporary issues. After restarting, open Microsoft Edge again. The error should now be fixed. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Edge status breakpoint error by resetting experimental flags, restarting the browser, and rebooting the system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.